In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit a contact group in Outlook. If you regularly send emails to the same set of people, creating a contact group in Outlook can save you a lot of time. Instead of adding each person one by one every time you write a message, you can place them all into a single contact list and use that list whenever you need it. It's a simple feature, but it can make your email workflow much more efficient. To get started, open Outlook and go to the People section. This is where Outlook stores your contacts and contact lists, so it's the right place to create and manage groups of recipients. Once you're in People, look for the option that says New Contact List and click it. This will open a new form where you can build your group. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a contact list name. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later. For example, you might use a team name, department name, or the purpose of the group. Giving it a clear and specific title will help you find it quickly when you need to send an email. After that, enter a description. This step is helpful if you want to add a little more context about what the group is for. The description can remind you who is included in the list or when you plan to use it. While it may seem optional, adding a short description can be useful, especially if you create multiple contact groups. Next, enter the recipients you want to include in the contact list. Add the people who should be part of the group, making sure you select the correct contacts. Taking a moment to double-check the recipients here can help avoid mistakes later, especially if the group will be used for important or frequent communication. Once your contact list is created, you can use it whenever you need to send a message to everyone in that group. And if you ever need to make changes, Outlook makes that easy too. If you want to edit the contact group, simply click it to edit. From there, you can update the name, adjust the description, or change the recipients as needed. Keeping your contact groups updated is a good habit, especially if team members change or your communication needs evolve. That way, your list stays accurate and ready to use whenever you need it. And that's how to create and edit a contact group in Outlook.